Welcome to the course navigation video. Please note that this course is going to be slightly different from your course right here in the name. Your course will have OST 2501, Office Management, and the reference number. That's the only difference right now. So the best way to view the content in this course is to go up to the blue toolbar and hit Content. Once you do that, you're going to see on the left-hand side is the table of contents with all the units and what is contained in each unit. Now, why I would like you to view it from this angle is because you could see it gives you little notes in here of what's going on. Okay, like the course navigation video. Watch this video to learn how to correctly view the content of the course. Now, this is a pretty easy unit because this is the orientation. So let me go to unit number 1. So here, everything contained in unit 1, and it gives you again what's going on if you click this link. So again, this is chapter 1, and it's saying, if you read, to pay close attention to the skills that employers are looking for, as you will need this information for your assignment. So this angle of the course shows you, it just gives you these tips and tricks. Here's LinkedIn Learning, and it gives you on this side, the course will approximately take you 45 minutes long to complete. So you would start at the beginning of each unit. You would click your Unit 1. Unit 1 opens, and you could scroll through this, watch the video, and then to get to the next section, you would hit the next button here on top. And this is going to be your chapter that's going to download. And then you can go back to the course, and you click your next button. And here's that supplemental website that we were talking about. And so on and so forth. But the best way, again, to view the content of the course is to go to the Content button and click on the unit that you're working on, whether it's the orientation, Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3. They are all set up the same way. It gives you a little bit of instructions. It tells you what each link is and what to expect. I hope you find this video helpful. Good luck in the course.